What's up, everyone? It's Mark Bryce. It's number NYC. You already know, yada yada yada, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to keep it a little low. It's about 12:50 midnight, 12:50 a.m. in the morning. My kids are sleeping. My wife is sleeping. If you see my other videos, you guys know that I mainly work at night. Messed up hair, in my underwear. I don't care. Um, Right now, we're pretty much in my storage room, warehouse, garage, whatever you want to call it. My car and all the stuff that you see right here. These are all the orders that are going out today. This is pretty much, I have some, these are going out today, plus the stuff that are going upstairs. I just got to get them labeled, USPS labeled. This right here is pretty much, I want to say, good $580. This and plus the stuff upstairs. So yeah, $580 is what I made today, just one day. Now I know I don't make a lot of videos regarding my e-commerce business, or because lately I've been doing it's vacation, so I haven't really been making a lot of videos. It was my kid's birthday. We went on vacation, family vacation. My wife and I went on vacation. We went on a wedding. So we went to somebody's wedding. So I wasn't really focused on too much making videos on the business. But this kind of wanted to mention why I'm showing you guys this video. Not to like brag, but to show you guys that this is possible. Right here in my storage room. Yeah, you see all this stuff? These are the stuff that I sell every day. Now, in order for you to succeed in your line of business, if you like to sell online, sell what you know. Know that niche. If you like to sell toothbrushes and you know companies that sell toothbrushes, you know which are the good suppliers to sell them. They have some strong bristles. I always go use toothbrushes as an example. But let's say in order for you to be different from others, if you're contacting a supplier to get you toothbrushes, but there's a long list of other entrepreneurs, other companies that are selling toothbrushes. How are you going to be different? You want to stand out, so you'll contact another supplier to get you a toothbrush handle or a case, or it comes with a toothpaste, or it comes with something different. So now you're different from others. So now you're not just selling toothbrush, you're selling a toothbrush or toothbrushes with other things as a kit. So now two things are going. You're going to stand out from the crowd, so that's one. Two, you're going to make more money or more capital because you're different. Now you're valuing your kit with other things, and now you're grabbing other people's attention. Your toothbrush might come with toothpaste and floss, let's say. Now somebody that was in the market for just floss found yours and they say, hey, I want floss, but now this comes with a toothbrush, so I want to buy this. Or somebody just wanted toothpaste, saw your ad and said, well, this comes with a toothpaste, toothbrush, and dental floss. I'm getting a kit. I might as well get this. That's what people want. You got to think outside the box. But here's something that nobody really tells you. This is what you are looking at here. I'm not selling toothbrushes, but I am selling things that are a little different. I make kits. Now, if you contact a supplier to supply you toothbrushes, and then you contact that same supplier to supply you dental floss, and then you contact them again to supply you the the toothbrush case. Now this one supplier is supplying you all this, and you may say, you know what, this is easy because now they're doing it all for me, they're putting it in the kit for me. That's great. Yes, it's easier for you, but you're not gonna really stand out from another crowd, and I'll tell you why. Somebody might see that you're making good money selling these kits. That one person might contact that supplier and say, do you sell toothbrush, toothpaste, tooth floss, all this? Yeah, I do. I already supplied to somebody else. So now this other person is going to do the same thing you're doing because you had contacted one supplier to get you all that for you because you thought life was easy and you want this one supplier to do it for you. They're going to hand it to you. But what makes you think this supplier who's handing you this kit is not going to contact their other customers and say, hey, we also supply these kits, because you just gave that supplier the idea for that. That's where you need to be different. The way I run this business is I contact many suppliers. So let's say I do sell toothbrushes. I contact one supplier to get me just toothbrushes. Then I contact another supplier that has no relations to supply me dental floss. And then another supplier to send me toothbrush case. So now I'm getting these different suppliers to send these to me, to my house, and I do it manually. Or I can pay someone to do it for me, depending on how your capital is and how your time is. I have my kids, well, one of my kids, my older kid, helped me. I had a family relative help me. So if you have family relatives that can help you to do this type of line of work, then, take advantage of it. But now what you're doing is you're making it harder for your competitors, because they don't know all the suppliers you're getting it from, You might get another supplier to make you your package design. See, if you start doing everything differently and you start thinking outside the box, you're gonna get good results. Exactly what I'm showing you here. Now, I'm not gonna say you're making $1 million by the end of the year. You're not. It's not that easy. And I'm not some type of bullshit entrepreneur or some bullshit artist telling you, hey, follow me, I'll make you $1 million by the end of the year. No, I'm sorry. I won't do that for you. But what I can tell you is you can easily start a business this way. So what I would do is, if you have capital and you want to start slowly, contact one supplier, find sources. Maybe around your way there's a warehouse that sells toothbrushes. Contact them, see if they can give you a good amount of toothbrushes at a certain amount. I mainly do everything online though. I contact companies from overseas. I speak Spanish, so if I know a supplier that speaks Spanish, I'll contact them, or have a family relative translate for me, or someone that I know that speaks that certain language, have them help me out. But yeah, think differently, because then once you start thinking about all these different suppliers that sending you these things, you do your kit for you. You'll do your own kit, and then when you have this kit ready, if you have an Amazon account, you can send them FBA, meaning you send your kits to Amazon, and then Amazon sells it for you. And then when you're done with those kits, you bring in more. You contact your supplier for more. Or you can sell them on eBay, which is what I do. I sell them on eBay. I sell on Amazon. But that's not a lot of people. I don't see that type of discussion going on online. They're just showing you the fancy car. I'm like, I have a Hyundai. I drive a Hyundai. Why I drive a Hyundai? Because it's reliable. I don't spend much on gas. I have a family, I have a home, I have kids, I have a lot of things going on where you won't see me driving a Lamborghini or any of that stuff. Why? Because I choose to spend my money on family vacations, as you see in my videos. Take my family out. Invest more in the business. That's what I do. I'm being transparent. You're not gonna. I don't think you'll ever see me drive a Lambo, because that's not my style. I'm not saying everyone that drives a Lambo is a douchebag, but that's not my style. If anything, I'll buy like in the future, my plan is to buy an SUV, because my family's growing. But yeah, so yeah, you can easily do stuff. These kits, I don't want to reveal what I sell, but it's just to give you the idea what you can do, what's possible out there. All right, guys, my arm is killing me. I'll see you guys in my next video. I have something juicy coming up. It's regarding how to start your work, how to start a business, but how to get stuff for free, and you can even sell them. But that's another video. All right, guys, this is Mark Bryce, Number NYC. I'll catch you guys later.